Okay, guys, Wasim, Rajni, a very good evening to you. How you guys doing today?
Good evening. I'm
Good
good, doing
evening.
wonderful.
Yeah, doing great.
Yes, awesome,
Mhm.
awesome, guys. So, how was your last week, guys, and how are you feeling till now?
Yes, I'm feeling very good after doing this all course. And the last step was also good, like where I have written my all outcomes. So thank
Yeah,
you so much for a wonderful tool, Abhimanyu.
you're welcome. You're always welcome, guys. And guys, like in a previous session, we just came through your top three, and in that we have selected your main outcome. So as I remember, like for Rajni, the main outcome was to be a certified coach, and for Wasim, it was to be medicine free. You want to be like achieve that. So now, guys, we're gonna do? We're gonna take your topmost outcome, your main outcome, and we need to make it go through the INCRED process. So guys, let me just quickly explain you what INCRED process is, and then we'll move forward. So INCRED process is like having an outcome gives you an ever motivating purpose. However, just having outcome is not enough. You need to have INCRED process. So having an INCRED process is about having clarity about where you want to be in an area of your life. It can be health, wealth, relationship, any area of your life. They provide direction and focus, and as you know, that necessary for continued lifelong learning and growth. It is helpful to ensure that your outcomes are fit for purpose. The INCRED model outlines some simple guidelines that you can use for setting effective outcomes in the areas of your life.
Yes.
So the INCRED process, the first I stand for intelligible. So what it means, it keeps your outcome simple and focused rather than wordy and vague. Be very specific about the outcome you want. It should not be like I want to lose weight. It should be like precise. You need to detailed. I want to lose 3 kg of weight within this month and by this end. So now we have specified. So just give a more clarity to our mind. So it works in that way. The N stand for navigate. So how will you know when your outcome has been reached? Where,
Mhm.
what will be the difference? And how will you measure it? So we need to navigate these things. The C stands for challenging. Do you have the desire, the skills, the tools to accomplish your like accomplish your outcome? So we need to, whenever we want to do something or achieve something, their challenges are always there. So we need to
Yes.
pre-plan and measure. Do I have the desire? Do I have the skills? Do I have the tools or not? The R stand for the outcome. The outcome must be achievable. Has something done this before? Have you done this before or not? So it's like you never came out, but you will saying like I want to what to say, I want to climb Mount Everest. So for in
Yes.
your mind it seems like it is not achievable. So we need to really measure that as well. The E stand for exact. State your outcome as if it's already been achieved. This trains the unconscious mind to accept the outcome as real, which helps to move more effectively towards it. What date is it going to be done? For example, they say the great achievers are always dreamers. They always dream that they already have. They always dream that they're having their trophy. They always dream they're having this phenomenal award in their respective areas of their life.
True.
The D stand for do it. You know everything you need to know. What are you waiting for? Do it right now. Start right now, taking the baby step right now. Make a commitment about achieving your ultimate outcome. You need to write it down, man. I need to achieve, I need to become a certified, an incredible certified coach that
Mhm.
you should have. So some examples of your increased outcome. So suppose you should not say like, I want to, like, as I explained, I will improve my food habits and workout. So this is a vague one.
True.
This is a general statement. You need to say in this way, for the next 30 days, I will record my food, I will track my workout, I'll make a list of the things that I'm allowed to eat. I'll throw out the junk things, I'll do the weight training, the swimming, the jogging. I'll do it for about 30 minutes, twice a day, weekly like this. So this is a very clear, crystal clarity is there. Exactly, I want to do this. So guys,
True.
this, have you understood this thing? Like Incred, what all this
Yes,
stands
yes.
for? Okay,
Yeah.
good. So now guys, we'll be jumping to our activity, which is called crafting activity. So in this, you will be crafting your Incred outcome. So as you can see in your own manual, which is on page number 70, there's a worksheet which you need to fill out. So in that, if you see it, let me, it's in your manual, which is provided. So you can see, yeah. So there's a sheet there. So you need to write down your outcome, which is there in your mind. And so before that, let me just explain you why we need to fill this, why we need to write it down. So the outcome of this activity is, guys, the purpose of this activity is to give you a clear picture of your outcome. Because throughout our life, we always think here, we make all the plans here, but they're like, it's never concrete. So once we
Yes.
jot it down on paper, it gives a clear picture. Okay, this. So something which can be recorded can be improved or implemented. So guys, let me just tell you this step-by-step instruction. So guys, you need to carefully read all the questions on that page, and you need to write down all your top 6 baselines in front of each. And then you need to see how it's been satisfied by your ultimate outcome. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you half an hour time. You take your time, you just jot all the things, do it carefully and see like all your baselines are meeting up now. And once you're done with
Sure.
this, you will do the debrief. And you can see these all in your you can see this worksheet, and you can use this worksheet for any of your outcome. It's just not for once,
Sure.
use it multiple times. So guys, you just start, and once you're done, please let me know, then we'll continue. Okay.
Yes. Done.
Done? Okay, good. So guys, let me start with Rajni. So Rajni, please first of all, let me know how did you feel after doing this activity?
Yes, as you told that INCRAD process is very crystal clear picture of your like everything step by step you have to write according to the parameters given. So it's very much now I have like it's clear in my mind that what I have to do. So
Okay,
it was amazing, wonderful.
good. So what is your final outcome, which you will be going through this incredible process?
Yes, my INCRAD outcome plus is that I am committed to complete the certification
Okay.
and getting clients and my audience also. July onwards, 3 clients every month and 40,000 per client means 1,20,000
Yeah.
per month will be my income.
Wow. Good. So now you have clearly outlined your outcome, and you have defined
Yes.
like what you want to accomplish, the time you have defined it, and the amount you have defined it. And let me just ask you, why this outcome? What importance it is in this, why this like say importance of this thing, like coaching and
See,
all?
specific, it is very specific and focused by which I can really see that it is in a particular time. This is my, this I have to do. And step by step, everything is clear.
Good. So
Yeah.
in this, you have, I will say, like this is coming your burning desire. Like this is what I want. If I achieve this, I'll get a
Yes, yes,
really
of course,
big
of course.
accomplishment, fulfillment. Very good.
Correct.
So as you can like, we can also measure this thing, because since you have put the time, like the navigate part, and we also know this successfully, you can achieve this outcome. So it's
Correct.
really, it's amazing. Okay. So let me just one more thing. Did your baseline, all your baseline got expressed or meet up in this year outcome?
Yes, yes. All are almost, I mean, 5, all are meeting.
Good.
My
Just give
baselines are
me any one
lively.
example, like how it is meeting
Yes,
it
yes.
here.
See, liveliness is one of my baseline. And
Okay.
then, when it comes to do the certification, meeting with the clients, it's not about always monetarily, but meeting people, giving information, gaining knowledge from them is one of my hobby. So that
Wow.
it is a kind of lively session every time. So that is one of my baseline is meeting perfectly. It is in
Very,
the sync.
very nice. Okay, Rajni, you have done this very beautifully. Aruj, you are a round of applause for you, Rajni.
Thank you.
Okay, let me just quickly catch hold of Wasim. Wasim, please, first of all, let me know your outcome and how you gonna like put in your INCRED process.
Yeah, actually, my one of outcome is to be free from the medicine.
Okay,
So yeah, so it's a very great tool. After knowing these tools, it's crystal clear for me how to do this, and it become very easy
yeah.
after going through this INCRED process. Yeah. So for
So
that, actually, what I okay.
yeah, so this drug free seems like a okay. This is a very clear that you want to be drug free. You don't want to be on medicines anymore. So when do you think like what's the timeline? With this timeline, I'll be like getting rid of things. Just any have you have time like by end
Yeah,
of this year? Uh,
yeah, actually for this I enrolled online doctor, and they said me
wow.
if I'm going through that process, what they had told me,
Yeah.
then it will take hardly 6 months or more, or then not more than 9 months. Yeah,
Wow, very nice. And so you must be like, you have also a clear picture that if I have to be drug free, what are precautions I'll be taking? Like I'll be working out, I'll not be eating this certain kind of a food, like that.
Yes.
yeah. So
So did you
so
plan this thing
for
like,
that I have different type of doctor in that. Yes,
okay,
yes. For that, I have different type of doctor. One is for meditation, and one for my nutrition, and one for exercise. So they give me step-by-step instruction what I have to follow. So I do whole things from till morning to till night. I
yeah,
follow the meditation. I take part of my nutritions, and I do walking for 5,000 steps and doing exercise. So
wow,
all those things I'm following regularly by religiously. So if I'm doing such thing in a consistent way, so it will be done in a 3 month or not more than 6 months.
wow, very nice. So we can say this is your navigation. So actually you can measure it. I'm a
Yeah.
walking 5,000 steps per day or
Yes.
not. Checklist. I'm doing
Yeah.
it. So good, good. Really
Correct.
huge round of
Yeah.
applause for you, Wasim. I really say when you're off the drugs, whether it's a
Mm.
prescription drug or non-prescription drug, you
Mm.
feel something different. Because even I myself believe that I don't want to be on
Yeah.
medicine. I don't want to be like dependent on these medicines to be healthy. So really good, Wasim, really good. And
True.
guys, with this, I will say this, we have done this part. But now what we're gonna do quickly do a quick activity, which is challenges activity. So guys, uh, so we have already seen an INCRED process. The C stands for challenges. So here
Yes.
what you're gonna do, here you're gonna work on our encodes and ecodes. So because in challenge part, as the name itself is challenge, so we might be having challenges here. The outside world is not that big impact, the challenges here. So for that purpose, what we're gonna do on your worksheet, as you can see on page number 76 in your
Yes.
manuals. So in this, you need to think and write down all the encodes which gonna come when you suppose you have decided this thing. I want to be a, like incredible coach. I want to be drug free. So definitely there will be some challenges, and that will come in the form of encodes.
Yes.
Why you want to achieve your outcome. And
Hmm.
just next to your encodes, you need to write down its respective e-codes. For example, let's just say I'm a I want to be incredible coach. Suddenly one thing comes,
Hmm.
but I'm not good at like asking money. So this encode, I'm not good at it. Actually, it was mine. So what I did, I'm doing a service which is really good, so I must be paid. So this encodes I have the like the
E-codes
e
also.
code just write it in front of it. Okay, guys.
Yes.
So just
Sure.
write down encodes. You need to fill this worksheet, read it carefully. Just think very precisely like what all can come, what all encodes I can encounter here. I'll give you 5 minutes of time. Once you finish this activity, we can discuss briefly. Okay, guys, just let me know
Yes.
once you're done.
Done.
Okay, good, good. So Rajni will start. We'll again start from you. So Rajni, please quickly let me know your top three challenges which you're gonna face while achieving your ultimate outcome.
Yes, top three challenges. Number one is other responsibilities. I have few
Okay.
other responsibilities also, so I am finding it is little challenging because I have to do the time management. I don't have proper like sufficient time,
Yeah.
and because the COVID situation. Number two challenge is COVID situation. So it seems like no proper path. Everyone is like I cannot approach to everybody.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a net problem or something. And the first is third challenge is technology, like it's
Okay.
virtual, or
Yes.
I'm living in the like if
Digital world.
once the person a person is going to close or like switch off his mobile, nobody, I cannot access anybody like that.
Yeah. So how you think, how you can overcome all these three? Like what all the e-codes you have formed for this?
When it comes to approach people, I find that I'm living in a IT hub city,
Yes.
say Hyderabad. So, like network is not a problem at all. And if I'm going to approach a client or a person, so definitely it is a benefit from both the sides. So they will
Yes.
definitely be in the contact with me. Okay.
Correct.
And for other responsibilities like time management, I have to distribute the responsibility in the among the family members so that I will get some more time
Very
like
good.
that. So that way I have solution. I have written the solution also, and it's not very difficult. So I have a difficulty level I have written. It's one technology is difficult, but time management is easy.
Yes. So you can like distribute the responsibility among so that you can give time.
Yes, yes. To my children, to my like some, but to my friend or something like that, so that I can get time.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Good, Rajni. Very good.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Wasim, please let me know your top three challenges and how you're gonna overcome those.
So yeah, one of the challenges like nutrition part, how I control my food level, uh, avoid junk food. So the solution is I will not go to the kitchen. I will not open the refrigerator because that are the thing which make me to
Tempt.
go for junk. So yeah, temptation part. So I will not go there, and I will do the affirmation that I am healthy and I always eat a healthy food.
Yeah.
And second is like doing exercise and meditation and those part what I had to do. So I, whether I'm able to do or not. So for that we have the group. So in that group I will be attached with them. I will be followed with them. So I will inspire from them. Yeah. So they are doing such steps. So that will inspire me to do that thing. So I will do that, and I will visualize that I'm doing such a
Yeah.
great in extent. So
Yes.
these are the things I will do. So
Very good. So your first difficulty is temptation, which you're gonna control by
yeah,
not going to the kitchen. The second is
yeah,
like I will say no physical activity. You turned it into doing
yeah,
activity like exercise
yeah.
something. And the third part is
Uh, Third part is for medication. If
okay.
I able to take medicine or not. So I will
Okay.
be touch with my doctor, with
Okay.
them, and according to them I'm follow if I will not attach with them, then I'm not able to follow the meditation part. So I will
Okay.
be with them because we have the mastermind call every Monday. So they call me, have you taken the medication, have you tested your blood? So that motivate me to keep my medication part as well.
Wow. Huge round of applause, Wasim. Huge round of applause. Because I myself believe like since I'm also a health freak. I believe like be natural and health is the biggest wealth. This is one of my I will say empowering code. So this is what makes me drive. So health is my biggest wealth, and I'm really feel proud like guys like you, and definitely Wasim, once you're gonna overcome this thing, you will definitely help other people to overcome how, because there are some people who are still suffering the same situation, but you're gonna show them the right path, the right knowledge. And I feel very proud to say like Wasim are doing a very actually you both are doing very awesome job. So huge round of applause for both you guys.
Thank you. Thanks.
So,
So guys, with this, we have successfully completed our session. And in our next session, we'll be meeting up and discussing about the power leap. So guys,
sure.
how did you enjoy this session? Give me a thumbs up, guys.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
definitely. Of
It's a
course.
great